Welcome to another episode of the PowerPlatform Digital series. My name is Ron, and this week I have with me Matt. Matt, welcome.
Hey, good morning, everyone. So my name's Matthew Mead. I'm a business applications technical specialist based out of the Vancouver office.
Terrific. So everyone, the session that we want to introduce you to this week is called the Common Data Model and Introduction. And Matt, this is actually quite a popular topic these days with our customers and partners. And specifically, the Common Data Model is such a great piece of innovation that sort of gives us a way to sort of bring a lot of data together within the Microsoft ecosystem. I was wondering if you can kind of help us understand from a line of business applications perspective. I know there's a lot of great benefits to kind of helping customers build applications faster, but I was wondering if I can get your take.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're trying to do is break down the silos between line of business applications with this enterprise-grade schema that's available across the industry. So if you're familiar with Dynamics 365, you've been working in that world for a while, you're used to the tools and the schema we have behind Dynamics, including the leads, the accounts, the opportunities. But with the Common Data Model sitting on top of the Common Data Service, we're allowing you to interoperate and connect with other line of business applications easily, as well as being able to add the fields, the relationships, the business logic, and of course extend it for your business. So it's a very, very powerful enterprise-grade schema solution.
Perfect. Great. Thanks, Matt. So everyone, please go ahead and watch the session. And as usual, please let us know what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like to see us cover in future episodes. And until the next one, thanks so much for watching.